Introducing the Sailor Hocoro, a versatile dip-style fountain pen that simplifies your writing experience. What makes the Hocoro dip pen a favorite? They make it easy to write with fountain pen inks without having to worry about cleaning your pen out or committing to one ink color for a long period of time. The unique design features a nib without a feed, enabling quick and effortless ink color changes. Simply dip the pen in water, give it a wipe, and you're ready to use a new hue. The nibs are exchangeable, and each one can be popped out, flipped around, and then inserted back into the pen body to keep the tip safe while traveling. The Sailor Hocoro is easily customizable. You can buy replacement nibs in different sizes, like medium, brush style, calligraphy, fine, and more. Plus, there are different body styles, like white and clear. You can change them out when you feel like switching it up.